What's up, YouTube? It's been an interesting week where we've seen a dramatic dip in the spot price and an increase near all-time highs in the stock market. Now, this isn't exactly what we thought would happen, but if you caught my live stream, I believe on Monday, this is something that I said was a possibility and something that I've been planning for and the reason behind my sale video. With the proceeds of that sale, I was able to pick up this 2016 1-ounce Libertad and also this lunar proof, where I was able to recycle my funds without having to dip back in the piggy bank. I was also able to put some cash in the bank waiting for some future deals to come up. These days I'm pretty picky with my coins because with spot price continuing to go down, there's only a few things that I'm looking at purchasing. The first one is either weight, low premium generic weight, or these sort of semi-numi deals. Remember the iPhone that I told you that I was able to sell? I took the proceeds from that eBay special and used that coupon code to apply to this Libertad. That coupon code was good for an $80 discount. So that just goes to show you how I'm trying to turn in things that I have that are just kind of sitting around into extra discounts into these metals. Now, since spot prices dropped, it didn't help as much, but it did help because at the time, I believe this was 1309. I did purchase this from AppMex, so props to them. A little thing that I was a little bummed at, I put in the note section for some swag and they completely ignored it. But womp womp, they've been good to me so far, so I can't complain. This lunar 2-ounce proof also came in the mail to continue my proof set that I've been working on. It's a beautiful coin, but I do have to say the shipping this time really sucked. I've got to agree with everyone like Lady Liberty Stacker and Moorzone, who both had scuffed capsules. And I did use the capsule polish in order to clean those off. So now for some commentary on why I think PM prices will still have some downward pressure and the stock market will still do better up until the beginning of the year, or at least until the inauguration, and we actually see what happens. One of the main reasons why we saw the stock markets pop is because of deregulation, and in particular finance sectors, energy sectors, pharmaceuticals, and environmental, all of which will be deregulated, or at least they're considering, which is typically a higher cost when you have to regulate because of compliance. So that's one reason the stock market popped. Trump is also talking about an infrastructure spending plan in the amount of roughly $1 trillion, along with a simplified tax plan and tax cuts for a lot of people, all of which puts a lot of money in business hands and the consumers' hands, along with government spending. So there's going to be a lot of money in the system from all areas. The only way that they're going to control inflation or hyperinflation is by raising interest rates. And interest rates typically will put pressure on precious metals like gold and silver. What we want to see with lower corporate taxes and repatriating U.S. funds from overseas is these funds put to work as investments. But we've seen in the past that corporations don't always do that. What they'll do is they'll do share buybacks and do dividend payouts to their shareholders, which ultimately doesn't help the U.S. economy. Tax cuts for the consumer and government spending should put money back in the consumer's pocket, but we just have to hope that that doesn't get siphoned out into corporate profits. If these corporations do actually reinvest and wages are lifted along with the U.S. economy, interest rates must rise as well in order to curb inflation from all the spending. And this is going to likely put even more pressure on precious metals. In recent weeks, I've been practicing not to buy anything, and in particular to exercise restraint from pulling that trigger because it's just so easy. And I can tell you right now, just by doing that exercise, I've already saved myself a bit of cash by just leaving money in the bank and just waiting, because spot continues to drop. I still think it's going to continue to drop, and just kind of taking a wait and see. And from now, just dollar cost average, a little bit less aggressive than before, just because I think we're still going down, down, down. This, of course, is going to take a while before it gets implemented, and we're going to see Obama out and Trump in, and then we're really going to see what happens. So the next 2 months, maybe end of November, December, I'll probably pick up a little bit more of a position. And from there, I'm just going to see what Trump does to see if he's aggressive with his hardline policies or if he softens up even more once he's actually taken office. Just so you guys know, I'm still in the stock market. I'm still picking up PMs as a hedge, and I'm still in real estate. So I got all three plays, got money in the bank, and it's just all part of a well-balanced portfolio. I don't intend to get rich, but I do intend to cover my ass just in case. On that note, I've also been spending quite a bit of time on my business trying to get my app switched over to the new model, because the original one just wasn't working, and this one I'm hoping will be a little bit better. So I've had to take some cash off the table in PMs and property tax to put into development, research and development. If you have a channel and you want to do a giveaway and you want to try my app, please contact me. So let me know if I can help you. I'm gonna try to use the system to do giveaways, and I still have mine, but I've had quite a few kinks in the system since I've tried to transition it over. So if you like, please comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what you think, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.